When a 19th century British author wrote, "The pen is mightier than the sword," he was referring to the tremendous power of words used skillfully by writers and authors. Writers use their language skills to produce content for an audience. They compose books, movie screenplays, magazine articles, and web content. Writers need creativity to come up with ideas, critical thinking skills to convey their concepts clearly and persuasively when needed, and adaptability to understand their audience's perspectives. The work of different types of writers varies significantly. Creative writers like novelists, songwriters, poets, and playwrights are generally self-employed and may labor for months or years before getting published, while technical writers and copywriters often work 9-to-5 jobs with a clear career path. Copywriters work on ad campaigns, and technical writers prepare instruction manuals and how-to guides. Using specialized skills, often learned on the job, they simplify complex ideas for the public or write highly technical material for a specific professional audience. Writers and authors often work in offices, but may work from any location with internet access. Most writers have a bachelor's degree in communications, journalism, or English, and lots of writing practice. Aspiring writers who want to enter the field often gain experience from internships, blogging about their personal interests, writing for school publications, small business or nonprofits, or local news organizations.